Kingdom Animalia, Phylum Mollusca.
The sixth phylum in Kingdom Animalia is Mollusca. Mollusca is one of the most diverse groups of animals on the planet. The animals belonging to the phylum Mollusca have soft bodies, triploblastic and bilaterally symmetrical and coelomate. The study of mollusca is called malacology. They are sluggish invertebrates, with a thin fleshy envelope or mantle covering the visceral organs. Mollusks also show the presence of sensory organs such as eyes, tentacle, mouth, gill, etc. Mollusks inhabit marine, freshwater, and terrestrial habitats. The body bilaterally symmetrical, possesses a muscular foot, soft body, triploblastic, calcareous shell, complex digestive system, well-developed sense, sexes are separate. There are 5 classes in phylum Mollusca. This are the class Bivalvia. This includes the clams and oysters. Second is the class Gastropoda, including the snails and slugs. Third is the class Cephalopoda, including squid and octopus. Fourth is class Polyplacophora, including the chitons. The last is the class Scaphopoda. This includes tusk shells. Bivalvia, in previous centuries referred to as the Lamellibranchiata and Pelecypoda, is a class of marine and freshwater mollusks that have laterally compressed bodies enclosed by a shell consisting of 2 hinged parts. The general characteristics of bivalvia are: the body enclosed in mantle, the shell has 2 lateral valves with dorsal hinge, umbo oldest part of shell, head greatly reduced, no radula, no eyes, a few species with eyes on mantle margin, foot usually wedge-shaped. The gastropods, commonly known as snails and slugs, belong to a large taxonomic class of invertebrates within the phylum Mollusca called Gastropoda. This class comprises snails and slugs from saltwater, from freshwater, and from land. The general characteristics of Gastropoda are the following. Body usually asymmetrical with a coiled shell torsion, some species lack shell and are not coiled, head well developed, radula present, mantle modified into a lung or gill, foot large and flat. The Cephalopoda. A cephalopod is any member of the molluscan class Cephalopoda, such as a squid, octopus, cuttlefish, or nautilus. These exclusively marine animals are characterized by bilateral body symmetry, a prominent head, and a set of arms or tentacles modified from the primitive molluscan foot. The general characteristics of Cephalopoda are the following. Shell often reduced or absent, head well developed with a modified radula to form a beak, the foot modified into arms and or tentacles, nervous system with centralized brain, complex, well-developed eyes. The Polyplacophora. The Polyplacophora's common name is chitons, with the name of this group meaning, bearer of many plates. A chiton's shell consists of 8 separate plates that overlap to form a shell-like a coat of armor along the upper surface of its flat oval body. They have the ability to roll up much like an armadillo as a defense mechanism. The general characteristics of Polyplacophora are the following. Elongated, dorso-ventrally flattened, reduced head, bilaterally symmetrical, radula present, shell of 8 dorsal plates, foot broad and flat, multiple gills, along sides of body between foot and mantle edge. The Scaphopoda. The scientific name Scaphopoda means shovel foot, a term that refers to the head of the animal, which lacks eyes and is used for burrowing in marine mud and sediments. The most distinctive feature of scaphopods is that the tubular shell is open at both ends, not just one end as in most mollusks. The general characteristics of Scaphopoda are the following. Body enclosed in a one-piece tubular shell open at both ends, conical foot, mouth with radula and tentacles, head absent, mantle used for respiration.